Hi, friends. Sometimes people think that naturalism is a little bit hard to understand, so I just wanted to explain it a little bit here for you. Basically, naturalism is the idea that your surroundings shape who you are. So think about whether or not you believe that your surroundings, your environment, your heredity, your social conditions, the people around you, do they shape who you are, or is who you are determined by yourself? Um, is your character determined by your surroundings, or is it just determined within yourself and how you decide to be? Um, think about, for example, the fact that if your parents do certain things, it's more likely that you will. For example, if a mom gets pregnant as a teenager, her child is also more likely to be pregnant as a teenager. So that's the idea of naturalism, is that your surroundings shape who you are. So think about that idea in relation to while you're reading the book, and think about, do the surroundings help shape the characters and who they are? Thanks.